Hello traders, welcome back to this video. So in today's video tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to buy and sell crypto using the XT exchange. We are looking at how to buy crypto directly from your bank account and then how to sell crypto directly to your bank account using the XT exchange. And the crypto that we'll be looking at is number one, USDT, how you can buy USDT or sell USDT from your bank or through your bank account. We're looking at BTC. We're looking at Ethereum, we're looking at Dogecoin, and some other pairs that are available on the XT P2P marketplace. Now, with that being said, if you are new, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. If you want to take advantage of all that we share every day, our free signals, make sure you join us on Telegram. So to be able to buy and sell crypto using the XT exchange, the first thing you want to do, you see at the top here where it says buy crypto. If you hover over it, you will see where it says buy, sell, and then you see where it says XT card. So if you have your crypto asset, you want to spend it via your card, or you can apply to get the XT card and you can use it to spend your crypto. But we're going to click on the buy, sell, which is the one-click trading fast execution. So click on that. Now, once we click on the buy sell, it brings us here. And the first thing we have here is the P2P trading. We have the one-click buy, and then we'll have the XT OTC over the counter trading. But we're going to be focusing on the P2P trading. And once you come here, if the amount here is not showing in Naira or whatever country you are watching this video from, all you just need to do is to click on the arrow there and change it. The local currency here, the symbol for the local currency here in Nigeria is NGN. So you just click on it and then you see it here. Go ahead and select it, and that will change this to your own local currency, as you can see right here. So this is the price. If I'm going to buy, if I come up here, you see that we are on the buy tab. So if I'm going to buy USDT, this is how much I'll be buying one USDT, right? This is how much I'll be buying one USDT from this particular merchant right here, and it goes on. So if I want to buy from the next merchant, you can see it going on. Now, one thing you will notice with the P2P marketplace is that when you are buying, right, the prices here or the merchants here are ranked accordingly. So the cheapest will be ranking first, and then those that are with higher prices will rank following, right? So you see that why this person is ranking first. Number one factor is that his or her own price is cheapest, followed by this person, followed by this person. So even if your price is higher with just a kobo, definitely you'll be ranking lower than the person whose price is lower, even with a kobo as well. So these are some of the things that you want to pay attention to. And then when you are selling, if you go to the sell option, right, when you are selling, in buying, the prices are ranked with the highest to the low, with the lowest to the highest. While in selling, the prices are ranked with the highest to the lowest. So if you come here, you see if you want to sell to this user here, you see that this person's price is higher, right? And then as you continue to go down, you see the price begin to get lower and lower and lower. So that's one trick you should know. Now, how do you use this to your advantage if you become a merchant? It means if I want to start buying crypto from people or start selling to them, the first thing I want to do is to make sure I come to any of this tab. Let's say I want to create an ad where people can buy crypto from me, right? So I'll create an ad and come in here. Oh, what's the next person here? This person is about 1,475.99. I can send my ad to be 1,475.98 or 97, and I'll be ranking first before this person, because when people are going to buy, this first person will always be the one having the highest order, right? And then when people are going to sell too, the first ranking person on the sell tab will be the one having the highest order. That is how this works, and this keep alternative. So it means that from time to time you can be adjusting your ad. Once you see that somebody is ranking first before you, you just go ahead and adjust your ad, and that way you'll be able to get orders every now and then, right? So I deviated. I just wanted to share that in case you decide to become a merchant. If you want to become a merchant to start listing ads for sale, there's a lot. This is a business on its own for some persons. You just come in here where it says merchant application, just click on it and then follow the on-screen instruction. Once your account is verified, you have linked your phone number, and you have small money in your account, you are qualified to become a merchant. And how do you know who is a merchant here? If I want to buy from this person, you see this badge that is attached there to tell you that person is a verified merchant, and it goes on, right? Majority of the people you see here, they are all verified merchants, so you can go ahead and buy. Now if I want to buy crypto, let's say I want to buy USDT, I want to buy BTC, I want to buy Ethereum, I want to buy USDC, I want to buy DAI or Dogecoin. Any of these that I want to buy, I just come on the buy tab and then click on it. The most common is people first buy USDT and then they use USDT to buy other cryptos when the market goes down, or for those trading features, they either buy or sell the market and the rest. So USDT is very common. So the processes of buying USDT is the same process you use if you want to buy BTC or Ethereum. And the same thing if you want to sell. Once you are here, you go to the sell tab and you can look for sellers that you can sell to. All right. Now, when I want to buy, if I want to buy crypto, this first person here, definitely for buying, this person's price will be, cheaper. So if I want to buy from this person, you can see this person has done over 663 volume, and then his trading rate is about 98.8%, which is a good one. But one thing I want to look at is the volume and limit. Here where it says volume and limit, if I'm buying from this person only has 3 USDT. So definitely I will not be able to buy from this person, right? Except you just want to buy 3 USDT, then you can buy from that person. Then if we scroll down, the limit too, this person has about 69 USDT, this person has about 2 USDT, 3 USDT, 50 USDT. These are the available asset that these people can actually sell. And then this person here has about 372 USDT. So it means if I want to buy from 100,000 upward, or even up to 200,000, I can buy from this particular person. Now, to save you the stress of always going to search, right, for all of these people that will have, let's say you want to buy USDT worth 100,000, instead of coming to check, oh, this person only has 3 USDT or 2 USDT, all you need to do is to add that amount right here. So I'll just go ahead and type 100,000, okay? And then once I type 100,000, it will now sort out everybody who is selling within that range, right? Everybody who is selling within that range. It means that I can buy from this person, I can buy from this person. Then if I want to buy, let's say 500, I can equally go ahead and type 500 here. And it will sort out all of the traders that will be selling within that range, right? So let me see, this person says from 100,000 to 700. So if I go ahead and click on the buy option and I go ahead and type 500,000 right here, okay, so I can actually buy from this person, right? I can buy from this person. So why it tells you that the balance for this person is about 69, you can equally check the equivalent in Naira, right? This person is selling from, let me zoom that so that you see. So this person is selling from about 100,000 to 700,000. So it means if you are buying within that range, you can buy from this person as well. So that's how you be able to take care of this issue of maybe wanting to buy and then the person is not having enough. So if I want to buy, definitely I'll be buying from the first person because this person is a bit cheaper with 1 Naira something plus or thereabout. So I just go ahead and click on the buy option. And once I click on the buy option, the things you want to look at, right? Let me show you right here. You see the volume that has been completed. The higher the volume, the more this person can be trusted. And then you can see the person's trading rate, his completion rate, and the rest, about almost 100%. This person's phone number, email address, real name, they are all verified. So meaning if the person decides to do you wuru, right, ST Exchange can actually track this person and get back your money, which doesn't happen because this person is a verified merchant, right? So then you can see the person's margin is actually about 10,000 USDT right here, okay, and then quantity is about this. So yeah, the person has a lot of money to fulfill all transaction, right? So and then The merchant has no note. Normally, some of them will put notes here and the rest. That's one good thing with ST Exchange. You don't have all of those serious people scamming people around. Then you can just go ahead and put the amount. Unless I want to buy 50,000 worth of this, though it won't go through because they mean okay, it actually went through, right? No, this is 500,000. If I do 50,000, right, this person's limit is from 100,000 upward, right? So it won't go through. You see, the limit is from 100,000 upward. So anything less than 100,000, it will not go through. So let's say we are buying 150,000, right? And that will go through. Now, once I put that there, it tells me that I will receive about 101 USDT, right? What is the means of payment? It is bank transfer. Okay, so you just select, it's only bank transfer that is available. So you just select, click on I understand, okay, and acknowledge to protect my funds, and then you go ahead and click on buy. So the moment you click on this buy USDT option, an account number, I don't want to do that because I'm not going to buy. At the end of the day, I'm going to cancel it, and that will reduce my rating here. An account number will be generated for you. So the person's name, the account number you'll be paying, making payment to will be visible for you. All you just need is copy that account number, go to your banking app and make a transfer. Once the transfer is successful, take a screenshot. You'll be given 15 to about 30 minutes to make that payment. Once it is successful, come back here and click on I have paid. Just follow the on-screen instruction. It is actually very direct. Click on I have paid. And once you click on I have paid, the user will be notified, or the merchant will be notified, and the person will say, okay, he or she has received the money, and the USDT you bought will be credited to your account, while you have credited the person's local account as well. So that's how easy it is to buy, right? That's how you can buy. If you want to buy BTC, if it is Ethereum, if it is USDC, if it is Dogecoin, that's how you go ahead and buy. Then if you want to sell any of this, you go to the sell option, and you see people are ready to sell their Doge for 180 Naira, and it goes on, right? People are ready to sell the Ethereum. BTC you want to sell, this is what people are ready to buy from you. Now, this is the price of one Bitcoin, okay? This is the price of one Bitcoin. It doesn't mean that you have to buy one Bitcoin. So if you click, definitely the limit will be here, right? You see the limit here. This person is ready to buy from 36,000 up to 5 million or so, or 752,000 rather. All right, so you can go ahead and sell to this person, and if you want, if it is USDT, the same thing. It means that the USDT is in your account already. So you just go ahead and click on sell, and once you click on sell, the balance you have, the available balance you have on your USDT will be showing right here. So the person says I'm available for day and night trades, except especially midnight trades. So yeah, this person is available, and then we'll just go ahead and click, and then click on sell. Then you need to add, if you have not added a bank account already to your ST Exchange, this is where you add that bank account. You just go ahead and click on that. I've already added a bank account, which is the first one there. And if you don't already have, all right, you can click on any of these banks and then add your bank account, right? So you can do any of this bank and then add your bank details. And when next you come in here, you'll see it here. You just select it. And once you select it, you go ahead and click on sell. Now, once I click on say, okay, the person's limit, you can see here, the person's limit, this is the limit, all right? This is the limit that I can sell to this person. I cannot sell 7 USDT. So once the limit is available, this will be active, and you just click on sell, and your account number will be shown to the person, just like the person's account number was shown to you when you were buying, right? Your account number will be shown to the person or this merchant will make transfer to your account, and once you receive it, you will come back here and say that you have received the money, you have received the exact money, and then you go ahead and click on confirm, and the person will receive the USDT that you're selling. Now, let me emphasize here, for those of you who think, oh, I'll come and say the person has transferred money, then I'll cancel. You cannot cancel, and you cannot run away with the money, right? So ST Exchange is only standing as a middleman between you, the seller, and the buyer, or you, the buyer, and the seller, right? So once you click on sell, the USDT here will be locked until the both of you agreed that I have received money, I have seen payment. That is when they will go ahead and release the payment. If not, this person can take, can report you, or you can report the seller, and there will be issue. All right, and ST Exchange will solve it, and once they find out and verified everything, the money will be released. So you don't need to, if to have issue with this when doing P2P on the XT exchange, because the exchange handles everything automatically for you. So, dear traders, that's how you can buy, sell crypto directly from your bank account using the XT Exchange P2P marketplace. And if you want, as I said earlier, you can become a merchant here and be listing your ads for sale, to either sell crypto to people or buy from them as well, and you can be making money from it. And that's basically it. If you have any issue, if you have questions, you can always use the comment section. And XTSN is currently running a promo where you get up to 100% cashback. So if you want to take advantage of that, make sure that you use the link in the video description. Check out my bio for that and sign up for an ST exchange. Join us on Telegram and take advantage of all that we shared every day for free. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.